Welcome back to a new video. Tonight we have the brand new Renault Captur 2024. This is the brand new E-Tech full hybrid Esprit Alpine, and tonight we will drive it and we will see the ambient. I will show you the low beam, the high beam. We will talk about driving ambient. You will see also the ambient light inside the car, and of course I have another videos on my channel. If you want to see the full review and the proper test drive, definitely check it out. I already filmed today the car, so the videos will come next days on the channel. If they are not already there, definitely check it out. It comes with an ambient light in the front, on the front door right here, and you can also change the colors. I will make a separate video where I show you how you can change those colors. On the rear it didn't have any light, but on the front you have this ambient light right here. And let's drive the car. I put the key here in the special place for the key and put my seat belt. Here's the start stop engine button. It comes also with two LED lights on the upper side up here, but we don't need those. And we have this LED light. This is the low beam, and also you have the high beam as an LED light. And what is interesting, and something that I saw also on other Renault cars and even on Dacia cars, is the fact that when you turn on the high beam, even the low beam, it's going up a little bit to illuminate a little bit better the front. I don't know if you notice that on the camera, but you can see how the lights are going a little bit higher. We will drive also in the city a little bit on the highway, so you can make an idea about the lights. I will reset also the consumption to make an idea, and also I will drive in eco mode, or maybe let's drive in comfort mode. It's better. Put it in drive, and also in B mode. We will drive it in B mode, so the car will regenerate more energy. Also, this is the full hybrid. As I said before, it comes with a 1.6 liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line, combined with two electric motors, one that drive the front wheel of the car and the other small like a generator to help the petrol engine and also the electric motor. Also, it comes with a multi-mode 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-speed for the petrol engine and 2 speeds for the electric motor, and those are combined together in 14 different ways to give you the power. To be honest, I drive it a lot today and I like the car. I like that it's smooth, it rides pretty nice and well, and it's silent. It feels pretty stable and also a little bit more refined than the previous version. Right now we are in comfort mode, and also the light on the doors here, it's in blue, but you can also change it if you go, for example, to the car here, and if I'm not wrong, if you go to configure and then you go to live on board, and here you go to ambient light, and then go here, you can change it. For example, you can make it red. Right now you can see it's red, but you can also make it blue or whatever color you want, so you can change these colors from here. And it's so simple, and you have plenty of colors to choose from. Too bad that you have only ambient light here on the doors, but otherwise it's pretty nice. Now, I like very much that the screens are turning to dark, and it's a so pleasant dark. To be honest, in the daytime when it's super sunny, you have such a good visibility on both screens. They are very visible, but in the nighttime they are dimmed down a lot, so to not bother you while you're driving. And to be honest, they are fantastic. I mean, this is very important to not have not blind you in the nighttime, to be so dimmed down so you can see the information, but in the same time to focus on the road. And I like the fact that it's just doing that. It's perfect the way they dim down, and in the same time you have good visibility, but also you can focus on the road. You can choose to have also the map on the digital cockpit, but the same dim down, super nice, in a super smart way. Lovely to drive, easy to drive in the roundabouts, easy to drive in the corners. It stays good on the road. It's set up for comfort. It has soft, nice suspension. Steering wheel, it's assisted and nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. The The low beam are pretty powerful, so the lights, it's white and nice. Also the high beam, we will test it a little bit later as well, but also here I show you how it looks, and they are also pretty powerful, so illuminate the floor, the ground and the road ahead in a pretty nice way. Also behind the buttons, the physical buttons, you have a nice ambient, white ambient light. That looks also pretty good. I like that it's a perfect light for driving in the nighttime. Yeah, you know, when you have usually in the car a lot of screens, you are worried that in the nighttime they are too strong for your eyes and they can make you tired. But it's not the case here. And that's very important. Now you see, I've just released the acceleration pedal. The car is recuperating the energy back into the battery. And it's also pretty quick because you have that electric motor that help you when you press the acceleration to give you that instant power, you know, because sometimes when you have only the petrol engine, only the combustion engine can give you a little bit of delay. You will have that delay when you press the acceleration, but now here you press the acceleration, you get that instant power, and this is really important. At least for me, it's extremely important. Now even in the city here, you have pretty good visibility, and you can adjust also the low beam from here. You have a button, so if you want to have the lights a little bit higher, you can adjust them from here. From this button you can go a little bit higher, and then you can illuminate the floor a little bit upper. So just like that. But even if you go all the way up, they will still keep a little bit of safe distance, so they will not go all the way up. So they have a limit where they will stop, and when you go down, the same story. Even though here the roads are not perfect and you have some holes on the roads, and even though the suspensions are super good set up, they are soft and nice. I like the way they set it up. .5 liter, 4.9 liter consumption on this perfect driving condition and perfect speed almost. So you can get such a good. By the way, we have the climatic system on level 1 all the way low, so that's somehow normal a little bit. so light and nice on the roundabouts, on the city streets. It's so light to drive, and it feels so light, the car. I like that. I like how agile it is and how light it feels. Also, the navigation work just phenomenal. Check out the full review video, because there I explain you a little bit more about the navigation and how the navigation work and so on, and you will see how good it is. It's crazy good. And even if you set another destination, man, it works so fast. You can see how fast it set the destination, and it's just boom, instantaneous. 4.6 liter consumption, incredible. Really good consumption. And they claim VLTP official numbers, it's 4.7, and I have 4.6 liters. I think in good condition you can even beat this consumption. You can manage to squeeze a better one. No way. Yeah, we have to wait here. It's super dangerous. What that guy did right now, just go between those railways just like that. It's not that fun to get squeezed. I have 4.5 liter consumption, check this out, and half battery. Pretty good consumption, and the climatic system it's on level 1. We can go all the way on 22 degrees. I think it's just perfect, 22 degrees. Anyway, those are the LED lights, so you can see the interior ambient light as well, a little bit the way it looks. The gear shifter is right here in the middle. It's super nice, super convenient the way they position it right here. And the auto hold function, electronic handbrake, super cool. Anyway, I get back to you guys when the train is passing. Alright, now the train has passed. We can also go. Here are a few bumps. It's perfect to test the suspensions. If you get a new car, you can test it around here, but the suspensions on this new Captur are pretty good. So you can see here this street, it's a little bit darker, so you can see a little bit better how the lights look. And yeah, from my point of view, it's more than enough light, pretty bright to see. high beam, low beam. Also, it comes with 360 degrees cameras that shows you around the car that I will show you right now. So if you want to park it or around here, you can easily see that. So let me show you guys. If you go here to the vehicle and go to 360 degrees camera, you can see this 360 degrees camera around the car, but also you can see on the side, or also you have this park assist that allow the car to park itself, and you can choose just like that, and then the car will find a place and then it will definitely park itself. Anyway, I want to show you the cameras right now when I park in reverse. Just press the brake, put it in reverse. Right now, just park it like that. You have those active lines that help you guide you, put it between the lines. Super easy. And the front camera. And then once you're done, just press this park button. You can turn on also the lights. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the trip. The numbers 4.7 liters. So yeah, that was the trip, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you soon in the next one. Peace.